Yes, sir. Let's open up the Wing Compact. Oh, thank you, Sweetwater. Bit of honey's mine.
Happy New Gear Day.
Happy New Gear Day.
Another box.
Another box.
Boxception.
Nice knife. Oh, hold on. There's a musician in every human being. Our purpose is to empower those who have not and cannot. Together we make Music Drive. We are Music Drive. Uli signed it.
Alright, hold on, let's do this.
Power. Oh, you almost had it.
Never mind.
Never mind. Ooh, I see it in there. I see it in there. We're supposed to turn it upside down and it just falls out, you know, with the, if we turn it up. All right, there you go. What is that?
Some sort of bracket.
A bracket?
Couple brackets.
Oh, that's so it fits in a rack.
You want to just tip upside down?
Yeah, let's tip it upside down and it'll fall over or fall out. We're going to pause this. Oh, no, we don't need to pause it. There you go. Nice. Let's create a world with less waste and more music. Oh, there's a cover. There's a cover. Sick, dude. Look how small it is. Look how small that is.
Tiny.
Oh, baby. There she blows.
That is definitely
That-
a lot more portable.
Yeah, than my other 48 channel Wing. And then pay attention to all this, fools. Don't use a regular Ethercon. Stop. You're going to blow this up if you hook up a stage box without a shielded Ethercon. 24 channel ins. They're all combo jacks. There's the cover. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Nice tight fit or too tight?
Yeah, no, it's got elastic
Oh, it's got
in
elastic.
the corners, yeah. Ooh, look at
Oh, sick! And you can. Does it still vent? Yeah. So you can have it on the cover on when it's raining or something outside and you're under a tent, and not overheat it. Because here's the.
Yeah, I like that, see?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. Well, that's it. Let's fire it up here. Let's plug it in and see if she fires up. I want to pause this.
Got a bunch of them, dude.
Yeah, I'll leave those on. Fire it up, buddy.
I did.
Oh, we must not have power. Oh, there it is. Just booting. She ready to go for my new scene. Thanks, everybody.